We have released 4 videos on Leh and Ladakh, and I know you would be feeling like, trust me, we are not milking the trip. We just had so many experiences that we had to make this series. And this is the best part of Leh and Ladakh series, which is we took Royal Enfield Himalayan on rent for 24 hours, and we challenged ourselves that in 24 hours we'll cover close to 350 kilometers from Leh to Nubra Valley and back, and then we would do it in just one full tank of petrol. And this video is about that journey. Here are some beautiful visuals. Now, if you've driven Royal Enfield Himalayan, you know that this bike is actually created. This bike is tuned for Leh and Ladakh. Now, next morning before our long drive back home, we wanted to do something refreshing, and that's why we went ahead and took a dip in the natural hot waters of Nubra Valley. So here's a government facility where they've made like small jacuzzi pools, and they collect the natural water that comes out of the hill, and it's super hot. Let me touch it and see how hot it is. Fuck! It's at least 50 degrees Celsius. Now, this series is one of the most ambitious projects that we have ever worked on, and all it is going to take from you is one like, one subscribe, which is absolutely free for you, so that we are inspired and we continue to tell more stories from different parts of India, because we are Indian Banjaras. Thank you.